If you want to completely delete Audacity from your Windows PC, this video will walk you through the standard uninstall process and also show you how to remove the leftover preferences folder so it's fully cleaned up. This is a quick and easy guide, and it's perfect if you're trying to free up space, fix a broken installation, or just uninstall the app properly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. All right, let's jump in. First, click the Start button on your Windows desktop. From the Start menu, select Settings, which is the gear icon. This opens the main Windows settings area where you can manage installed programs. Next, in the left sidebar, click Apps, then choose Installed Apps. This is where Windows keeps a full list of the programs currently on your computer. Now use the search bar and type Audacity. Once Audacity appears in the results, look for the three dots next to it and click those. From the menu that opens, select Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm the removal, so click Uninstall again to finish the standard uninstall process. At this point, Audacity should be removed from your system, but there's one important thing to know. A normal uninstall can sometimes leave behind your preferences and custom settings, which means some files may still remain on your PC. If you want to delete those completely on Windows, you'll need to remove the Audacity folder stored in your AppData directory. To do that, open File Explorer and go to the path shown on screen, %appdata%\Audacity. Inside that folder, you may find leftover preference files, saved settings, or configuration data from Audacity. If you no longer need them, delete that folder to fully clear out the remaining traces of the program. Just be sure you're deleting the correct Audacity folder before removing anything. And that's it. Audacity is now uninstalled and its leftover preferences have been removed too. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what software tutorial you want next.